How's it going, everyone? Steve here, back at it again with another Gearhead Gallery video. Today we are sponsoring this 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL. This is just a super gorgeous car, finished in its original color, signal red. Perfect color combination with the interior. You got the dark tan that was fully redone. Just a very, very nice example of a 450 SL. Under the hood, you do have the original 4.5 liter V8. You do have both tops for the vehicle. You got the black soft top as well as the paint matched hard top. This thing just grabs looks everywhere you drive it. It's a very, very nice example. It's been under the same ownership for many, many years. Really just used as a parade car. Always kept in a heated garage. So just a very, very nice car. Let's check out the interior and go take it for a spin. All right, now that you guys have seen the exterior of the vehicle, let's turn it on and take it for a quick spin. Starts right up, no issues. Looks like the tachometer is working. Automatic transmission. Let's back it out of the shop and see what this thing is all about. Power steering. Looks like the only aftermarket bit in the car is the Alpine radio. It does look period correct, so it doesn't stand out. And it works. Fantastic. Looks like all of the gauges appear to be working here. Power windows go up, no problem. Just a very, very nice driver. Shifts nice and smooth, track straight going down the road. Brakes feel great, no brake steer whatsoever. I would hop in this thing confidently and go for a cruise every weekend of the summer. The interior on this car is just as nice as the exterior. Like I said, it was all redone. All the parts were sourced through a local shop here in West Michigan. So this thing has just been in tender loving care for the past 10 or so years. I've seen a lot of these come through the shop in my 5 years here, and this is certainly one of the nicer examples I've seen. Just pulls nice and strong. The front suspension feels nice and tight. Steering is nice and tight. This vehicle is on consignment with us. Unfortunately, the only reason the guy is selling it is he's just not able to drive it half as much anymore, and he really made it known to us that he wants it to go to a good home, someone else that is going to have more adventures with it and love it just as much as he did. So, do one more pull here. Just an awesome, awesome driver. The headliner and the hard top is in very good condition. I know the soft top is in good condition. We've got a lot of good photos of that on our website. If you guys have any specific questions about the vehicle, make sure to call our shop. We would love to help you out with this purchase. Shipping is available worldwide. We'll make it easy for you. All this thing needs is a new owner. All right, as you guys can see, this is a very nice example of a 73 Mercedes 450. Thank you guys for tuning in again to Gearhead Gallery. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.